Artificial intelligence is evolving fast, and two of the most advanced AI chatbots on the market right now are Claude 2 by Anthropic and ChatGPT by OpenAI. But which one is better? In this video, we'll break down Claude 2 versus ChatGPT in key areas like accuracy, response quality, creativity, speed, pricing, and real-world use cases. By the end, you'll know exactly which AI model suits your needs best, whether you're using it for work, research, or just casual conversation. We are going to talk about it. Now, before we head over to our review, all of the mentioned tools are on the description box below, so make sure to check it out. And so, before comparing them head to head, let's get a quick overview of each AI model. Basically, Claude 2 is developed by Anthropic. It is a company focused on building AI that is helpful, honest, and harmless. It's designed to prioritize safety and reduce bias, making it ideal for sensitive or ethical discussion. Now for ChatGPT, it is developed by OpenAI and comes in multiple versions, including ChatGPT 3.5 and ChatGPT 4. It's widely known for its natural conversational abilities, coding help, and creative text generation. But both AI models are powerful, but they have different strengths. Now let's go ahead and compare them. Now for accuracy and knowledge, when it comes to accuracy, both AI models rely on extensive training data, but there are key differences. Basically, for Claude 2, they have a larger context window, meaning it can remember and process more information within a single conversation. This makes it better for handling long documents or discussions without losing context. For ChatGPT, it is more refined in general knowledge and provide detailed, well-structured responses, but it sometimes struggles with keeping track of long conversations. If you need deep contextual understanding, Claude 2 has an edge, but if you need a chatbot that provides quick and accurate factual information, ChatGPT 4 is the stronger choice. Navigating through the next topic, which is going to be creativity and writing skills. Which AI is better at generating creative contents like story, poetry, or marketing copy? And so, Claude 2 produces content with a more human-like tone, making it great for writing engaging and thoughtful responses. It tends to mimic a natural flow of ideas rather than just spitting out information. Now for ChatGPT, it is more structured and polished. When it comes to writing long-form content like articles, script, and essay, it also tends to generate responses faster than Claude 2. For storytelling and creative writing, Claude 2 is often the more engaging option. For professional content creation, ChatGPT 4 is more polished and reliable. Now heading over to our next topic, which is going to be coding and technical assistance. If you're a developer, you'll want to know which AI is better for coding. Basically, for Claude 2, they can write and analyze code, but its response are sometimes less detailed compared to ChatGPT. However, it does a good job at explaining concepts in simple terms. Now for ChatGPT, ChatGPT is basically one of the best AI tools for coding. It can generate complex script, debug code, and provide step-by-step explanation. If you need an AI for serious programming work, ChatGPT 4 is the clear winner. Now with our next one, it's going to be speed and performance. How fast are this AI in generating response? Claude 2 tends to be slightly slower, especially when handling long-form conversations or large documents. ChatGPT 4 is faster in general, particularly when generating structured responses or summarizing information. For quick answers, ChatGPT 4 is better, but if you prefer a more thoughtful, well-structured response, Claude 2 might be a better fit. And so, heading over to one of the most crucial aspects in my opinion, which is pricing and availability. Both AI models have free plans and premium versions, but they differ in pricing. Now for Claude 2, once again, they have a free-to-use feature, but it comes with some limitation. Basically, for free, you will get to talk to Claude on the web, iOS, and Android. You can ask about images and docs or documents, access to one of the latest models. Now for Pro user, which is going to be $18 per month, it will go ahead and give you more usage than the free version, access to projects to organize documents and chats, ability to use more models like Claude 3.5, Sonnet, and Claude 3 Opus, early access to new feature. Now moving forward, you have the Teams plan, which is going to be $25. You have more usage than Pro, central billing and administration, and early access to collaboration features. And lastly, you have your enterprise plan. You have more usage than Team, expanded context window, single sign-on or SSO domain capture, role-based access with fine-grained permissioning, system for cross-domain identity management, audit logs, and lastly, data source integration. You can just go ahead and contact this sale to go ahead and know the price for the enterprise plan. Moving forward to ChatGPT, once again, they have a free plan which gives you access to the ChatGPT 4 mini, standard voice mode, limited access to ChatGPT 4, limited access to file uploads, advanced data analysis, web browsing and image generation, and use custom GPT. Now for $20, you get their plus plan. It will give you extended limits on messaging, file uploads, advanced data analysis, and image generation. You have standard and advanced voice mode, limited access to O1 and O1 mini, opportunities to test new feature, and create and use custom GPT. Now for the Pro plan, which will give you everything in plus, unlimited access to ChatGPT, higher limits for voice and screen sharing in voice, access to O1 Pro mode and more, access to Sora video generation, and lastly, access to operator research preview US only. If you scroll down, you have your Teams plan right here, and once again, you have your enterprise plan. You can just go ahead and contact their sale to know more about this specific plans. And so for the last topic, let's talk about security and ethical AI. AI safety and ethical concerns are becoming more important. Here's how these models compare. Basically for Claude 2, it's specifically designed with stronger safety measures, making it less likely to generate harmful or biased content. Now for ChatGPT, ChatGPT 4 has improved moderation features, but it can still generate biased or incorrect responses in certain cases. If security and ethical AI are your main concern, Claude 2 is the safer choice. And so to finish the video, which AI should you choose or which one is better? If you want a well-rounded AI for general knowledge, coding, and structured writing, ChatGPT 4 is the better choice. If you prefer a more human-like conversation AI with stronger focus on ethics and safety, Claude 2 is the way to go. Ultimately, the best AI depends on your needs. If you tried either one of these models, let me know in the comments below and which one you prefer and why. And if you found this video helpful, leave a like, subscribe. I'll see you on the next one. Thank you.